Signeasy offers advanced signer authentication by adding two-factor verification. In this video, we'll see how to enable it. You will have to enable two-factor authentication for every signature request you send to your signers. Add signer details and click on the three dots action menu to see the option for two-factor authentication. To enable two-step authentication, click on the option and enter the recipient's country code and phone number. Enter the information of the other signers, add the necessary fields, and then proceed to send the document for signature. Upon receiving the email, the signer will be prompted to review and sign the document. The signer has the option to send a code to their mobile phone to receive a one-time password. They can choose to verify later, they just need to click on the email they received to reinitiate the signing procedure. The signer is required to input the OTP received on their mobile phone to confirm their identity as the intended signer, after which they can open and sign the document. The audit trail of the document will show that the signing was done via two-factor authentication.